In this video, we're going to be talking about PipeWire. I know there's PipeWire, there's Pulse Audio, just those two off the top of my head, you know, ALSA and all that. But as far as what works for me, every time I make a video whenever I have an issue that I have to solve just by going through several different websites that I can't find on YouTube. So that both I can go back to it, and if somebody else needs it, they can watch it too. So that's why I haven't uploaded in a while. Just haven't had anything important to put out that nobody else has put out. But there may be people that put out a video like this, but I couldn't find anything on YouTube. I saw one guy using PipeWire Media Session, but now the default is Wire Plumber, and so it was outdated, and yeah, it just didn't work out for me. You can go ahead and type this in. So we're actually gonna clear. So we're gonna do Pacman. Artix runs on the same package manager as Arch. So we're gonna do PipeWire. Then we're gonna do PipeWire. PipeWire ALSA. PipeWire Pulse. PipeWire Jack. And then we're gonna do Wire Plumber. And as well, RT kit. They don't tell you that in the Artix wiki for some fucking reason, but you do need an RT kit. Now, PipeWire, PipeWire Pulse, and Wire Plumber and RT kit are the only required packages. PipeWire ALSA and Jack are just extras. They're not necessarily required for you to get audio up and running. So yeah, you're gonna install those. I'm not going to install them because I already have them. You're going to want to, depending on whatever you're using, S6. I'm not going to cover System D. I'm going to cover S6. But with Artix, I believe it's what, RC, S6, and then I believe one more, Process Supervisor. I'm currently running S6. So you would type in the command sudo S6 -rc -u up is what it's meaning. Change dbus. So what this is going to do is this is going to start the dbus service or daemon, whatever the fuck it is. And yeah, I'm not exactly sure what dbus is, but PipeWire needs it, so you need to do this. So this is just going to start the service. In order for you to have it up, every time you boot, what you would do is you would type in sudo touch /etc/s6/rc actually that's wrong /admin sv /defaults/contents.d, and then you just make a file there, and it just knows which service to start. So you see I have libvirtd, I have network manager, and I have dbus in there. So you would just literally just make a file called dbus in there, and upon boot, S6 will run that process. So that's to get dbus running each boot, so you don't have to continuously up it and start the service using the command I showed you before. I know a lot of tutorials online, which I ran into a lot, was sudo s6 -rc -bundle -update. That command is defunct. It no longer works. So if you're running into issues and you see this command and you're running the S6 process supervisor, this does not work anymore. You have to do the touch like I showed you before. I'm adding this after the fact, but as soon as you run that touch command to add that service to the default bundle, you're going to want to do sudo s6 -db -reload, and that'll reload the database as far as the services and all that. But you have to do that after adding in the contents D where I showed you. Another thing, you're going to want to install, let's see, you're going to want to install Pavucontrol. And what this is going to allow you to do is to see, you know, your inputs, outputs, and stuff like that. I forgot to add that as well. You're going to want to install that as well. So I'm actually going to pull that up. So as you can see, I have the HDMI, I have the audio controller, and then I have my actual audio device, which is a preamp. So that's my output device recording. You see everything's working. You see the mic, playback, all that. And yeah, all that's working. So yeah, just to refresh. So yeah, PipeWire, we installed the necessary packages for PipeWire. We set up dbus to automatically start at boot. Now what else do you need? So we're gonna actually go and check out my xinit. You can see I have here my XDG runtime directory. This is required because that's another error I ran into. So what you're going to want to do is, especially if you're running DWM and you have an xinitrc file, you're going to want to do export xdg underscore runtime underscore directory. You know, that first line, that exact first line, you're going to want to add that to your xinit file. And you're also going to want to add these. So /user/bin/PipeWire, you're going to want to start that, PipeWire Pulse, and Wire Plumber. And that is pretty much it as far as getting PipeWire up and running. So yeah, if you guys have any issues, just let me know in the comments. I hope this helps somebody. This definitely would have helped me. But yeah, let me know what you guys want to see next video or whatever. Alright, I'm out.